In this video, I will show you that how you can transfer crypto coin from MEXC exchange to another MEXC account and 100% free and instantly. If you want to transfer the fund from one exchange to another exchange, just like Binance to Binance, KuCoin to KuCoin, OKS to OKS, so we have already created all these videos you can find on this channel. If you are new on this channel and not subscribed this channel yet, please subscribe this channel for more amazing content. I will show you all these steps using this mobile application. So let's come on the mobile application without wasting any time. So here you can see I have opened MEXC application on my cell phone. So to transfer crypto coin, you have to come on the wallets, and here you can see we have 43 USDT on our MEXC account. So basically this transfer button is used to transfer the fund from spot to future and future to spot. But if you want to transfer one account to another account or one exchange to another exchange, then you have to select the withdraw button. Click on the withdraw. So when you click on the withdraw, here you will find the coins on the top in which you have some amount. Just like I have some amount in the fake AI coin, baby grow, liver, USDT, BNB, Ethereum, but I want to transfer some USDT from my MEXC account to another MEXC account. So I will select USDT. You can select any coin which you want to transfer. Click on the USDT. So when you click on the USDT, here you can see two options: on-chain withdrawal or MEXC transfer. So on-chain withdrawal, you can read that transfer crypto to wallets or other exchanges. Then we will use on-chain withdrawal. But we are transferring on the same exchange, MEXC to MEXC. So we will select MEXC transfer. And here you can read that it says enjoy speedy transfers with zero transaction fee and other MEXC users using email, mobile number or UID. Best feature is that if you don't want to show your email, mobile number to anyone, you can easily transfer using the UID which is provided by the MEXC. Click on the MEXC transfer, and here you can see the option in email, mobile number, UID. So we will transfer using the UID. Let me show you on my another account that how you will get this UID. Come on the another account. So here you can see I have opened my another MEXC account into the cell phone application. So to get the UID, you can find the icon on the top left, profile icon. Click on it, and here you can see UID. So you have to provide this UID to user which are transferring the funds. Copy this UID and provide to the user which are transferring. Come on the first account, paste UID here. After that, here you have select the quantity. You can even transfer 0.01 USDT from the MEXC. I will select the all. You can add any remark, click on submit. So here you can see the confirmation detail. The receiver will receive 0.65 USDT. The transfer amount is this. Currently we have does not add any remark. Click on the confirm, click on next tab. So after clicking the confirm, here you have to complete the verification. You will receive code on your email and SMS to verify that you are owner of this account. After adding the both codes, click on the confirm, and here you can see it says transfer complete. So we just press the confirm button and transfer has been done. Check the transfer history, payment sent. Now come on the first account to verify that really we have received these funds less than a nanosecond. So I have opened my first account, click on the wallets, and here you can see we have received exactly 0.65 USDT in our account. If you want to see the history, click on the spot history button, and here you can see funds sent. So 0.65 USDT has been added in our account. So I hope you understand that how you can transfer the funds from MEXC account to another MEXC account. If you face any problem, please comment down below. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to get the more videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.